Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7. Dear students, chapter number 10, light. Students, light is an electromagnetic radiation. It is also a form of energy, and the major source of our light is sun. So here are two types of objects, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous objects having their own light, for example sun, and non-luminous objects have not their own light. They emit light to other objects like moon. Here you can see the example, sun is luminous and moon is non-luminous. Next topic, light rays and shadows. Students, light travel in straight line at a very high speed, about 300,000 km in the air, and light can be represented on the diagrams by straight line. You can see here different points, transparent, opaque and translucent. These are the different materials that allow light to pass through. Transparent objects that allow light to pass through them, opaque does not allow light to pass through them, and translucent let some light to pass through them. Here are some questions about this topic and the answers are: Grade 7, page number 123, question number 1, how fast does light travel? 1 million times faster than the sound. Question number 2, why can we represent light rays using a ruler? Light rays can be represented on diagrams by straight line. Difference between transparent and translucent materials. Transparent materials that allows the light to pass through them, for example glass, and translucent materials which let some but not all the light to pass through them, frosted glass. Question number 4, which of following materials are: acetate sheet is a transparent material, frosted glass is a translucent material, and wood is an opaque object. Now, reflection of light. Students, reflection of light means to see an object. Light from it must enter the eyes, as we know that light enters the eye and travels directly from the source of the eye. So, in this figure you can see that light reflected on a rough surface is diffused into all the directions. Here our concept means that when light collide or reflect from a rough surface, the surface will be rough and the light will travel in different directions, but if a surface is smooth, light will travel as same as it reflects. Page number 124, next topic, law of reflection. Students, law of reflection means the angle at which incoming incident ray strikes the mirror as same as the angle of reflection. It means that as the light travels or strike to a object, it must travel same in the way. This ray is incident ray and the reflected ray is reflected ray, and these angles are angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So this is the law of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, and they strike on a normal, means having 90-degree angle. Notice as the angles are measured, the drawn line at 90 degree to the mirror called normal. Next topic, images in mirror. Students, there are two types of images in the mirror. One is virtual image and the other is inverted image. Virtual image is formed. Students, visual image is formed when the light actually passes through the mirror, but the literally inverted image is formed because it appears changed from left to right in the mirror. Now test yourself questions on page number 124 and the answers are: what is a plane mirror? Mirror with flat reflecting surface is known as plane mirror. Explain why you can not see an image in piece of a paper. Actually the surface of piece of paper is not smooth. Difference between incident ray and reflected ray. Ray of light hitting a mirror and ray of light reflecting from a mirror is reflected ray. Question number 4, what is normal? A line drawn 90 degree to the mirror called normal. What is the rule of reflection of light? Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. 6th question, explain the terms virtual image and literally inverted. Virtual image is formed when light actually passes through the mirror, and literally inverted because it appears changed from left to right in mirror. Thank you.